So, we're in Siem Reap on the 5th floor of the hotel called the Harry Residence with our little day bed. Let's look at what the room's like. This is pretty nice. Where are we now?
The bathroom. Shower.
Not bad. Nice sink. Right, we're at street level. Where should we go? Because basically Siem Reap is just a tourist town built for tourists. There's not that much in the way of sightseeing. We're going to do the temples tomorrow. But today, let's just wander. There's the cash.
I'll take that.
Let's have a look. Cambodian money. There you go. 50,000. Each one's 50,000.
What's the surprising word? Oh, look at the temple on the back.
On Wikipedia it says Siem Reap is the second largest city in Cambodia. It's got some French, colonial and Chinese style architecture. It's famous for its night markets. It's got silk farms and all that sort of stuff. And it's a popular tourist destination because of its proximity to Angkor Wat, which we're going to go and see tomorrow. Behold the Siem Reap River. Looking for crocodiles. Do they have them here? They're critically endangered for overhunting. I've seen actually signs for crocodile farms. So yeah, unlikely to see one. You want to see them in the wild, the natural environment.
Yeah, and I don't want to be supporting something that's capturing wild animals.
Yeah. Look at the view there. Crocodile! So this is just the art centre and there's some shops open, but we're going to go to the night market later. But just in case you're interested, the flight from Phnom Penh took 35 minutes. So it's a really quick jaunt across, which is really good. Poor bird stuck in there. Poor pigeon, look at it. Feel sorry for you. So what do you think of the roundabout?
I like to see bum cheeks in the statue.
That's like a historical monument.
Good bum cheeks.
What should we do then? Gonna get some lunch? Let's head into the city. Get some fish, or maybe some sausages. So what are your first impressions of Siem Reap?
Well, at the minute it's quite quiet. There's not a lot happening. All the market stalls and shops seem to be closed. But I'm excited about the food we've just ordered on the menu because it looks like it's going to be quite tasty.
75 cents beer, 67 pence. What would it cost in the UK? 3, 4 quid? 5 quid?
Don't know, I'm not from the UK.
Nice. Just been reading that when Angelina Jolie was here filming Tomb Raider, that was her favourite bar. That's where she went. She actually was sitting in there. What do you think of that fact?
I think that's a bit bizarre.
Yeah. Dinner is served. What's this? Chicken curry?
Yeah.
Let's see how much it costs. Let's have a look at them first. Look, they're hungry. But the bigger nibbles on that one.
Yep. Will you do too?
Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I see if this is going to be too tickly for me. Is it really tickly? Jason, if you... I'm not going to be able to do it.
No, you can just do it for a bit. I want to do it for a bit. You've got to do it for a bit. You can do it for a bit.
Yeah, you're not even tickly. I'm looking at you.
It's not as bad as you think.
Okay, first you put your hair, just put your hair like this if you are scary. Yeah.
It's so tickly.
I know it is. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's so tickly.
Hey bro, please look out.
Right, she's going for the big boys. Come on then. Go for it.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh,
Come on. Oh my god, they're like piranhas. Is it ticklish? Is it worse? Or better? Is it?
Oh my god, it's worse. It's worse.
So these fish, how old are they? Where do you get them from?
we get them in local fish. They are local fish. But this maybe 4 months or 5 months.
And then, okay.
Yeah, and then this maybe in few months only.
And then, do you not feed them, just feed them on people's skin?
No, I mean when at the morning we have to feed them.
Oh,
and
okay.
then when we are close, we have to feed them again.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's incredibly tickly.
Yeah, it is definitely ticklish. And they're still hungry for more. Look at that. It's like a sweat box in here. But this is where you come to buy all your knickknacks or your fine silks or even your little pieces of art.
You made us come in here.
Do you like it?
I was walking past.
So a few days ago when Celine bought some clothes in Phnom Penh, she said, that's it, I can't buy any more clothes. And what have you just bought?
But can I just say, I was happily walking past markets and you were like, no, come on, let's go in. You've made this is the third shop you've been really going to, and then you're like, there's a yellow dress, pick it up.
Yeah, I forced her to buy it.
I mean, what can I do? If you force me to buy clothes, I'm obviously going to buy them.
Look how good this looks. Look at that monk up there with his headphones in. This is really, really impressive. This looks so cool, don't it? The monks. Let's go back to the hotel and cool off. And then night market and Beer Street. Is that what it's called? Beer Street?
Pub Street.
Pub Street. So this is like the fish place that we were at before, and you were reading, weren't you? What's wrong with it?
Well, it's been banned in Europe and in the USA and Canada because it's not hygienic, because they can't properly clean the tanks in between customers, and it's also not, it's like a bit cruel for the fish, I think, as well.
How lit up is this? Pub Street. Well, let's find the night market. We found it. This is it. Not as expansive as I thought. Is that okay or is that spicy? Spicy. Is it dicey spicy or nicey spicy? Is that hot?
It's like tangy, but also spicy.
It's delicious. Oh, it's so nice. That is hot.
Yeah, but I think yours is hot, isn't it? Did you have that there?
Both as hot as each other. So a few weeks ago I put some like deep heat on Celine's neck. And
The other day?
the other day.
And now I feel like I've actually just swallowed it because it feels like my whole esophagus is on fire.
Right, Pub Street. We're going to go up there and then we're going to look down and see what it looks like. Yeah?
Is that right there in the corner?
Yeah, let's go. And look at the view. You can avoid the electrical cables. So tomorrow, the temples. Good night, Bob.